Julie here, and in this video, I will share what I eat in a week living alone here in Tokyo as a person who doesn't cook. For breakfast today, I went to Denny's and tried their salmon set with potato salad, dried seaweed, miso soup, rice, and unlimited drinks. It only cost 792 yen. So if your hotel stay doesn't include breakfast and you want to try a Japanese breakfast, Denny's is a great choice. Denny's offers other reasonably priced breakfast sets as well. One thing I love about Denny's is the ability to stay longer, get work done, and enjoy unlimited drinks. I particularly enjoy their 100% orange juice, cafe latte, and tea. For lunch, I visited a family restaurant called Saizeriya and had my favorite chicken wings with their hot sauce. It's only 400 yen per order and I got 2 plates. Whenever I crave chicken wings, this is my go-to spot. Saizeriya is popular among students for its affordable Italian food. You can even get a pizza here for 400 yen. They also offer a 100 yen wine that pairs perfectly with their best-selling tiramisu. And speaking of tiramisu, Saizeriya's version is a must-try. In the evening, my boyfriend treated me to dinner at a restaurant where they serve Hiroshima yaki, which is like okonomiyaki with noodles. Ever since we visited Hiroshima in spring, we've been craving it. My favorite is their cheese Hiroshima yaki with mochi. It's absolutely delicious. We also tried the recommended option, which was also very tasty. Each okonomiyaki costs about 1,450 yen, which is a bit pricey but reasonable considering the quality. We also went out for bubble tea. I got a pearl milk tea from Xoxo and it hit the spot. When I was still in the Philippines, I used to have bubble tea a few times a week for about 300 yen, but here it costs 700 yen. Bubble tea in Japan is definitely overpriced. I returned to Denny's and ordered their light morning set, which includes lettuce, scrambled eggs, bacon, and toast with butter and strawberry jam. You also can swap the toast for miso soup and rice. This is only for 495 yen. It's super reasonable considering that you can get unlimited drinks from the drink bar. For school lunch, we had a baked potato with ground pork, cold soba with vegetables, which was super refreshing, milk, and a slice of orange. This is what I love about working in elementary schools as an English teacher because I get to eat school lunch, and it's so cheap and healthy. This meal, for example, is only 310 yen. You can't beat that. For dinner, I enjoyed delicious yakiniku. I love this place because it's reasonably priced, and although they charge a seating fee, you get unlimited kimchi and salad in return. They always use fresh lettuce, and their salad dressing is amazing. We usually go for tontoro or pork meat, which is especially good with draft beer. It costs 1,500 to 2,000 yen per person, but it's definitely worth it because you will leave feeling full and the food is excellent. After that amazing dinner, we also tried a new snack from 7-Eleven, their chocolate coconut bits. It's so good, you should give it a try.
Wait. Oh my god, it's so good.
I also think my period is coming because I've been craving chocolate, so I ended the night with parm ice cream. A box costs almost 600 yen at the convenience store, but if you buy it at a supermarket like OK Mart, it's less than 400 yen for 6 ice creams. I work Saturdays at an international school, so I went to Cafe Veloce nearby and had their cheapest breakfast set: iced coffee and a cheesy tuna sandwich. It's a satisfying light breakfast that fills me up. This is only for 500 yen. For lunch, I grabbed pasta from 7-Eleven. It's so refreshing, especially in this heat, and it's with vegetables, chicken, and a delicious sauce. It's super great deal for its size and taste. I needed something even more refreshing, so I got my favorite blueberry smoothie from 7-Eleven, which is only for 330 yen. It is super fun to prepare. You will scan the QR code, open the lid, and follow the machine's instructions. 2 minutes later, voila! Your smoothie is ready. I enjoy this healthy drink under the shade of some trees. I love pairing good food with nature. And at night, I visited a new cafe for dinner. I tried their dinner set with soup and dessert. The cold potato soup for the soup was a bit like a baby food, so I'd rate it at 4/10. It was okay, but I'm not a fan of the texture. For the main course, I had taco rice, which was fantastic. Everything was perfect, especially the cheese, which the chef said was kind of a parmesan with a subtle aroma. It was a perfect way to end the night. I also enjoyed their cheesecake for dessert, but as a dessert lover, I wish it was bigger because it was so good and I really wanted more. For Sunday brunch, I woke up late but still made it in time for Sifonista Cafe's breakfast set. I ordered my usual, the cinnamon toast, and it comes with salad with amazing dressing, a boiled egg, fruit, and a drink. My all-time favorite is their iced cafe latte. This breakfast set always leaves me full and satisfied, and it's only 700 yen. If you visit this cafe, try their BLT sandwich. It's absolutely delicious. I was still full before meeting my friends, so I skipped lunch knowing that we'd hang out. We went to an izakaya near Chiba Station, and it's popular for its okonomiyaki. But my favorite is their beef cabbage. It is so tender and flavorful. I could eat 10 plates of it in an hour. We also had drinks. My friend tried a drink called Fuzzy Navel, and I got the usual draft beer. And after that, I tried their melon soda. Their okonomiyaki, by the way, was also so good. That is why this place is famous for it. After that dinner, my friend again invited me to go karaoke with her, where we drank this delicious chocolate drink that really reminded me of my favorite chocolate drink when I was young. I got home very late, so I woke up late as well, and I didn't have time for breakfast or school lunch because I was assigned to work at another school. But it was okay because I enjoyed my takeout 3-cheese gyudon from Sukiya. It's my favorite rice bowl in Japan, and it's super affordable at 570 yen. I enjoyed sitting on a bench by the river. I love cheese, and though eating cheese with rice was strange at first, I found myself going to Sukiya often. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it and what you think. After watching House of the Dragon, I had an early dinner around 5 p.m., having dumplings from Plus One Dumplings. I had my usual beef pancake, cabbage dumplings, and beef dumplings. The food really depends on the sauce. I love mixing lots of chili oil, white and black vinegar, and soy sauce. I've been to this place so many times, so I know exactly how I want my sauce. The pancake was only for 300 yen and the 15 cabbage dumplings were almost 500 yen. This place is so affordable and you know it's good when many Chinese people dine here. Around 10 p.m. I got super hungry after working out, so I ordered beef bibimbap from Uber Eats. I only use Uber Eats with coupons and I was so lucky to have a 2,000 yen discount. I paid only 400 yen for a huge bowl of beef bibimbap and spicy Korean soup. It was perfect for the cold nights and post-workout because it's high in protein and it's healthy. It was definitely the best meal of this week because I didn't have to go out and it was only 400 yen, which is insanely cheap. I didn't have time for breakfast today, but for school lunch, we had baked potato fries and cold noodles with oranges. I just realized that this school lunch is kind of the same from my school lunch last week, but this is at another school, not the same as last week. The cucumbers on the noodles made it so refreshing, and how it had egg and pork strips for protein made it even more delightful to eat. I had the cheapest ramen in all of Japan. I feel like Hidakaya has the cheapest ramen of all, but it's a Chinese place that offers reasonably priced food. I got their half ramen for only 290 yen and 6 gyoza to go with it. I only paid 520 yen for this meal, but it filled me up. It was perfect for the rainy weather on Tuesday. Again on Wednesday, I didn't have much time for breakfast, so I went to 7-Eleven and enjoyed a smoothie. I really appreciate smoothies because they are reasonably priced, healthy, and portable. I can enjoy them while walking, which is great for busy people like me. I have been wanting to visit this bakery, and since I was working near it, I couldn't resist going in. It smelled heaven as soon as I stepped inside. And I bought their number 2 bread, a ham and cheese sandwich, melon pan, and a bread with dried fig and cream cheese. They were all delicious. This is the moment of truth. So, the texture is like a croissant, and there's tart inside, and there's also like fruits and almond. It's sweet but salty. Oh my god, it's perfect. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but there's like little tarts inside, and also the fruits and the cream. It is super perfect. I had another job, so while waiting for my start time, I went to McDonald's for soft serve ice cream and fries. I love dipping my fries in the sundae. I know some of you might find this strange, but to each their own. For Wednesday night, I treated myself to sushi. Hama Sushi has the cheapest sushi, I think. I got salmon sushi, tempura sushi, and their pork miso soup. Their pork miso soup is so comforting and delicious. I always get it when I visit Hama Sushi. Most of their sushi plates are priced at 110 yen each, and there are plenty of options. I remember my first years in Japan when I didn't eat sushi at all. The idea of raw fish scared me, but after trying it, I regret not trying it sooner. As I mentioned in this video, I don't cook because I live alone and I'm very busy. Planning meals, going to the supermarket, cleaning, chopping, cooking, and eating and cleaning all dishes all seem like a waste of time to me. Plus, I usually have school lunch and prefer eating at reasonably priced places. I also know the food will be tasty, whereas cooking can be hit or miss. Summer is coming up and I plan to create another video like this but featuring only home-cooked meals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on my upcoming videos. Thank you fam for your support and I hope to see you again next time.